How to add cloud effect in Sequencer. We enter the modeling and select the rectangle and change this value and rotation it. We chop it up and accept it. We select the mesh, select the remesh. I think 5000 is okay. We enter the selection mode, and here I want to find this static mesh and right key and convert to scalar mesh. Convert it, and here I open it and I select this mesh and right key and create a cloud data. Right key again, apply it. Now I enter the activate pay cloud pay. You select it, and you can change the brush value. And now I paste it. And here we enter the editing tools, and you can see have some close effect. Now we save it, we simulate it, and nothing happened because this is static mesh. We need to use the skeletal mesh, and we delete this one and rotation it. And now I want to add the material. This material is downloaded from Fab. And here we simulate it, and yeah, our cloud effect is successful, and we stop it. And I want to show you, if you want to use another cloud effect, you can paste it again. And if I choose this, the page value to 200, you can see some different than before. Yeah, you can see it, and I think it's not better, and I want to change it again. And here I paste again and change this the values to 300. We paste it. We save it. Yeah, you can see our cloud effect is better than before. Now we stop it. We select the static mesh and click the editor. Select the chaos, create cache manager. And here we enter the plugin and make sure tape recorder is checked. And we enter the window and open the tape recorder. And here we judge the chaos cache manager into here. And we select this one and uncheck the chaos cache managers, because we only use the chaos cache check. And we simulate it and recording it. And our cloud effect is recording now. Now we stop it. We find the cinematic folder and open it, and we find the tape recorder sequencer and open it. And you can see the cloud effect is successful recording in this sequencer. So if you want to add this effect to another sequencer, you can copy it and we add the new sequencer and right click and paste it, and you can see nothing happened because we need to click this plus button. We need to add this the chaos cache. Yeah, you can see our cloud effect is successful to add to our new sequencer. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.